Hello, this is Rubber Ducky again from Nezeromanius D2 mod at www.nezeromanius.com, and today I will be showing you how to roll back from version 1.13 and install our mod. And I have a internal unrecoverable error. Sounds pleasant. You know why I have an error is because I have missing files and mismatching files, blah blah blah, and it probably works all on its own. We'll find out right now, because a non-working disk is a non-working disk, and that's bad. The game does work, it's just retarded. Well, I know why it doesn't work. It's because it's the wrong version for me to load from. Anyways, as you see, I'm at version 1.13, dated from 1.10. in order to get this tutorial done. So, the first thing we're going to do is revert back. And in order to revert back, I don't want that. I want this. In order to revert back, we are going to have to go to SNEJ d2maniacs.org/forum/index2.php?topic equals 727.0. And once you get to this site, this lovely site, we're going to download this, which I've already downloaded, I believe. See how prepared I am for this. Yes, no, yes, I am prepared for it. Cool. We're going to revert you to 1.09. And then we're going to download the 1.10 patch from 4players, which is also right here. And we're going to install that. So upon clicking this, I believe you get this site, which is, in Diablo. Click download. Or actually, never mind, it brings it up on its own. And you install. And then you go to 1.10 or www.nezeromanius.com. You go to the configuration and setup link. That's a drop down menu. I'm a little bit tired, but anyways, you download Lord of Destruction as well, or the update for it to 1.10. And in order to revert from 1.10, all you basically do is take the files that you downloaded. After you extract, revert to 109, you'll open it up, you'll see a bunch of files, take them all, copy, and go into your My Computer, your C drive, program files, wherever all your program files are, and paste over everything and replace it all. And now you're reverted back to 109 after downloading the 1.10 update as well. Gosh darn it, why do I keep doing that? No, I want to go back into my downloads folder, update to version 1.10, which I downloaded, 1.10. It's going to attempt to launch, and it's going to tell me it doesn't work in German. Or I'm guessing it's German. It sounded like it looked relatively like German. Anyway, you're going to update to 1.10. You're not going to be able to run it unless you have the disk. If you have the disk, do not get online for any reason, because you'll update again and then you'll have to start over. That's pointless. You're going to get the NES mod from, I knew I needed the internet for something else, from, I know the site quite well, but I'm going to go this way, www.nezeromanius.com. You're going to go to Realm Info, Configuration Setup. You're going to see the official 1.0 patch there. You could technically go to nezeromanius.com for your files, but you're going to click on Nezeromanius, the underlined link. Scroll down, download. It'll take about 6 to 15 minutes depending on your connection speed, maybe even less if you have fast connection. and you're going to extract here. I've already done so. You're going to get two folders. One says NESMod 1.10 and one says program files. You don't need program files. All it has is info about the mod, updates, what we've added, blah blah blah. Anyways, you're going to get a file in NESMod 1.10 that says NES 109. It's the version of NES, not what patch it runs off of. So you're going to rename NES 109 to patch_d2.mpq. You're going to copy it. I only copy, I don't cut, just in case I make a mistake and I need that file for some unknown reason again. That way I don't get stuck re-downloading it or trying to hunt down files, even though it's pretty simple with just one program folder. Or let's say I copy and don't replace it, and it gets numbered 2 or something, who knows. Anyways, so now you've copied it over. You're going to edit the gateway. You're going to need to get the gamesprue.bnet editor, or any gateway editor, honestly. But I have come and found that most can't handle the realm name. So what you're going to do is go to the Nezra forums, which is nezramanius.com/forum/. And you're going to go into Nezra. No, you're not. You're going to go into questions, comments, and problems. I lied. And you're going to go to change gateway, etc., but not able to log on to the game server anymore. And I am going to suggest that we get a topic specifically for the gateway editor, because this one is the best for this. And that way you don't have to go into community anymore. Anyways, you're going to click this link. It'll bring up another page, download. You're going to click OK. My throat's really dry and really sore, so it may not sound quite like normal today. You're going to extract here, you'll load this. It's not a very slow download, and it doesn't take too long. Anyways, so what you're going to do now that you have your realm list up, you're going to see US West, US East, Asia, Europe, blah blah blah. You're going to add a realm, and if you want you can delete all your other ones. It doesn't really matter. I don't play anything but the mods, so I don't need them. You're going to name it Nezramanius or NES. We'll call it NES for short. The address for the realm is realm.nezramanius.com. You can click OK or apply. Either works. I think if you click apply, oops, I want to edit. Yeah, if you just click apply, you still have to click OK. So just click OK. You detect it, make sure it pings, which mine does, which is nice. You now have your realm set up, and you should be able to connect. And we are going to test right now. We do have an anti-hack system, so if you're going to use a loader, do not use a map hack. It's not suggested. The anti-hack has been known to kick people and ban them. Don't cheat on our realms. I do notice people who are abusing the system to gain levels. I will notice. I play quite often. I'm not a no-life. I work. But the moral is don't cheat and you'll get to stay. On our forums we have a code of conduct, what's acceptable, what isn't. I use a loader because I have virtual disks and the game will not start whatsoever. Loaders are fine, just don't use them to cheat and make a personal gain. Anyways, we will log into my account and we can see that I can log in, and I should be able to create a game. be able to connect on it. And we are good. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and have a good day.